Hi family, welcome back to TEMIBECKY'S space. In today's video, we will be giving you back to back on our Sunday reset. Okay, don't look at our Christmas tree because me, I don't like to remove my Christmas tree until maybe in the middle of January. Yes, I will now consider to remove my Christmas tree because I am in love with Christmas. I'm in love with Christmas. I love my Christmas decoration, so I don't like to remove it until middle of January. Hi guys, so today we will be reset our home, clean it. Today is the last day of the year, so please give a shout out to my son who is helping me to clean the house, and we'll be doing it together. And the rest there, they are also arranging their clothes. Thank you guys. Stay tuned, enjoy, and watch to the end. To my new subscriber, you are highly welcome, and to all my OGs, you are absolutely wonderful. Thank you. God bless you. Please give this video a like if you like to subscribe and join the family. Thank you. Bye. Hey guys, my kids have refused to remove their Christmas pajama. Though they have to, so they change back to this one, and then and mommy, they don't want to remove the Christmas pajama. They want to wait. I said okay. So today they're going to remove that pajama and change to another new pajama, and we are going to wash it. I don't know if it happened to you guys that when kids love something, they refuse. So right now, my boy has went to the toilet to help me to wash that, and he don't want me to film him, so I respect that. And for the bedroom, right now I have to clean it, but this guy there over here is not making it easy for me to do my job, so I keep him up here with me so I can easily do my job. Can you see him? Okay, he's going to scatter everything, and we're going to work together. Okay, right now. Continue enjoy the video. If you like this video to this extent, please kindly give a thumbs up and a like. And if you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to my channel. So I also had my perfume and I changed my hair wig. So that is it for the bedroom. And I moved to the kitchen and also the same, clean everywhere, looking, make it to look neat. I wash my gas, wash my plate, wash everything in the kitchen, and also clean the floor. That is it, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you have watched to this extent, I really say thank you. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. If you love what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up, guys. Don't forget to like, share this video, please, to help motivate other anyone you love. It's just a clean motivation. Oh God. So you see it, my guys always look for me, and that is me, Mama of 5. So
driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of